Extra work. Now the water was cut. The landlord is evicting the boat, and I have to take all projects as they are. Move through, wire everything up, hope for the best. Yeah.
The missionaries never hid their perspective. Perspectives of land would rather see us disappear. Recyclable prayers. The people.
Sorry for that.
This is my body, we just give them to you.
This is an update today.
The people. This is my blood. We are the Aleutian Nation. We have been called the Indians. We have been called Native American. We have been called hostile. We have been called pagan.
I'm in pain for this.
We have been called
I need to build all this up. That's not vital. Right now just the power is vital. The 110, the third source, 3000 watt. Making sure that the computer works. Instruments. Death gauge. Death gauge. Oh, death gauge. Jesus. And maybe do something with the fridge. We'll figure out. Thank you, Dan Gabrielli, for sponsoring and being a patron in this amazing journey afloat. Toate pânzele sus. I'm adding 2 more solar panels, and I have to consider how to pry them up so they can create as much as possible and not be in the way, and in stormy weather so they can be secured. And when it comes to these panels, I considered once there's funds to put mirrors on the outside and try to reflect and deflect light onto them. And right in here where the hooks are, there should be the outriggers, the hydraulic outriggers that I've had absolutely no power to get. No money, and this no money situation has to change, and this project has to go afloat, and we start filming. That's a camera up there. There's gonna be another one. That's one on the mast, and these will record and stream from the places I am at. And there's one on the other side of the cabin, on the roof. Maybe I'm gonna put one in the front too, right in here, or underneath at the water level. Yet all in due time. Thank you for being aboard this journey. Much love.